how many of us died? Okay.
Okay.
Do you know?
Do you want to? Did she pay for this?
I don't know.
We don't know.
I
Do you
paid for it.
Do you have a
Let's go.
receipt?
Nope. Let's go.
Okay, well-
I'll show you that I paid for. I had a link code.
You have a link card. Well, do you have a
I
receipt?
had money.
A grocery store, a shopping trip gone sideways. One refusal, and a woman ends up in handcuffs. Was the arrest legal? That depends on a single statute most people have never heard of.
Hey, I don't know what's going on. I just purchased this.
Okay, hold on.
Listen to me, sir. No.
Okay.
It's not okay. Because I don't like it. And it's going wrong, going left. These people just sold me this. He said, I'm in here. I ain't supposed to be here. I'm at work. My client stay across there in that building right there.
At the apartments?
Yes.
Okay.
I come here every Tuesday and Thursday. I've never stolen nothing. I've never taken nothing. They came here and he came back here and said something to me. And I told him, I said, no, I ain't never took nothing. I ain't never done nothing. He said, well, we want you out here right now. Why would you want me out here right now? And I'm purchasing my food. I ain't done nothing wrong.
Yelling?
No, I wasn't.
Officers arrived after employees reported a disruptive patron. The subject provided her name. She refused her date of birth. That refusal became the sole basis for her arrest. Officers stated on camera, she wouldn't have caught a charge if she'd just given us her name. That statement defines the legal question here.
Do you have a driver's license on you, an ID on you?
I don't have nothing on me.
Can I get your name real quick?
My name is Shania Smothers.
Hold on a second.
See, and I don't even like this.
Okay. Well, I just gotta find out who I'm talking to. Can you spell your last name for me?
S-M-O-T-H-E-R-S.
S-O-M.
S-M-O.
S. Spell again. M-O.
T-H-E-R-S.
T-H-E-R-S.
Yes.
Smothers. What's your middle initial?
L.
L and your first name?
Shania.
Spell
S-H-Y.
S-H-Y.
N-I-E-A. I have a client over
N-I-E-A.
E-A.
N-I-E-A.
Yes. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I don't know.
Miss Smothers.
What they probably. No.
Just calm down for a second.
No,
okay?
I can't calm down.
Okay. What's your
I'm
date
being
of birth?
attacked.
Okay, listen.
No.
What's your date of birth?
Look at you. You here for me.
I am, and I got to get your information.
You here for me. And I ain't done nothing.
Listen, I need you to calm down.
I can't calm down.
Miss
Because my work, and it's
okay.
Do you know how many of us died? Okay.
Okay.
Do you know?
Do you want to? Did she pay for this?
I don't know.
We don't know.
I paid for it.
Do you have a
Let's go.
receipt?
Nope. Let's go.
Okay, well-
I'll show you that I paid for. I had a link code.
You have a link card. Well, do you have a
I
receipt?
had money. And they came up here before I could pay for anything and do
Okay,
anything.
so I'm asking
they came
you-
fucking with me and bothering me.
Listen.
Nah, I can't.
All I'm asking you is, did you pay for it?
I ain't even walk on no door.
Okay.
I
Do you
never
want? Do you
walked
want?
the door. I don't want nothing no more.
You don't want anything
I don't
anymore?
want nothing
Okay.
no
Come
more.
on.
You ain't even gotta talk
Come
to
over
me.
here with me.
You ain't even got to talk.
Okay. Come on over here with me.
No, you ain't even got to talk to me no more.
No, it doesn't work like
Yes,
that.
it does.
Okay.
It does. It does.
No,
It does.
because they're asking you. Listen, ma'am,
He asked me to leave.
and I'm escorting you out. Okay.
You can escort me out, but you don't have to.
What's your date of birth, miss?
You don't have to give me anything from me.
What's your date of birth? I have to identify.
No
you.
transaction transpired.
Okay, listen.
Hey, I'm still online.
Okay, can you
No.
can you walk out here with me so we don't cause more of a disturbance?
He
in the
already
store?
caused disturbance
Okay,
with me.
but you're the one yelling. Okay, so would you like to
He
walk out
bothered
with me?
me. I didn't bother him.
Okay, I'm asking
I'm
you.
yelling.
Okay.
You know why I'm yelling?
Okay, listen.
Because I'd have been falsely accused.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Okay,
That's the
I'm gonna ask you one more time to exit the store.
I'm gonna exit the store.
Okay, come on.
I don't mind exiting the store.
Okay, let's
but
go.
You can't
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
do nothing with me when I exit the store because
You're
I don't have
gonna
nothing on
be
me.
banned from the store. Okay.
I don't mind being banned.
Okay, come on. Now, can you give me your date of birth?
I know.
Hey, sweetheart. Ma'am.
I'm keep alive.
Ma'am, listen.
I'm done.
All right.
Sir,
Stop, or I'm gonna
please
put you
don't,
in.
please don't touch
If you
me.
don't stop, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
I'm not
So I'm gonna
already.
explain how
I'm
this
live.
works. I don't care.
I'm okay.
You're recorded. I'm recording.
I'm
Great.
okay.
So here's
I ain't
how this
touched
goes.
nothing. I ain't got nothing. I ain't
What-
stole nothing.
Are you gonna
So
listen to
therefore-
me?
so
Will you listen to
therefore-
me?
so
Will you
therefore-
listen to me?
See, that's-
Will you
that's
listen
where
to
you're
me?
wrong again. No. I'm
Ma'am,
a black woman.
stop.
I'm wrong. I'm not doing nothing
Stop
to nobody.
walking so I can explain to you, okay?
You're getting too close to me, and I'm
Because
scared.
you're not listening to me.
But you're getting too close to me.
You need to
Please
listen
leave
to me. If you don't stop, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs.
You gonna put me in handcuffs anyway.
No, I'm
because,
not. I'm
Hey,
trying
I'm
to.
a black. You gonna put me in handcuffs.
You being black has nothing
Yes,
to
it
do
does.
with
It
anything.
got everything to do with it.
I come from a multiracial
I
family. You don't know nothing
what you
about
talking
that.
You just accosted me about
You're
a motherfucker saying something to you about me.
I'm trying to
and
explain
I'm not,
to you something.
Listen to
Will
me.
you
You're
listen
not
to
telling
me?
me nothing.
If you're not going to listen to me, I'm going to put you in handcuffs, and then I'm going to identify you that way.
I didn't steal
We're not saying that. We got called here. Listen, all right. You're going in handcuffs.
Hey, yeah, hold on.
You're going in handcuffs.
Hey,
Stop resisting.
I ain't resisting.
Stop resisting.
I ain't resisting. I ain't resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
resisting. I'm at work.
Behind your back.
Hey,
I don't want to
I
break
ain't
your
resisting.
phone.
Put your hands
I
behind
ain't
your back.
resisting. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, y'all. What y'all doing? I'm not resisting.
You're going in handcuffs.
That's okay.
Please stop.
I'm not doing nothing. Y'all, well, I'm
You're
not
going to
doing
be
nothing.
detained because
That's
you're not
okay.
listening.
Detain me. That's fine. Detain me.
You are being detained.
That's fine. Detain
Please
me.
stop.
Detain
Loosen
me.
up
That's
your
fine.
arm. Loosen
Detain
up
me.
your arm.
My arms are loosened.
Thank
Detain
you.
me.
Thank
but,
you.
But guess
Calm
what?
down.
God don't like ugly. Take
Calm
me to
down.
jail. Nope. We ain't got nothing else to talk about.
Calm down.
No.
He's got to double check your cuffs.
I don't give a fuck.
Make sure they're
I
double
don't
locked.
give a fuck. Y'all wrong, and y'all ain't numbers of
If you
racist
will
ass
just
white
calm
motherfuckers.
down.
I ain't coming
We're
down.
trying to explain
I'm a
something
black
to you.
bitch in a white neighborhood. That
Please
y'all just
calm
fucking
down.
put their handcuffs on.
Please
and I'm at
calm
work.
down.
I'm at work. And y'all just fucking.
Come on,
We're gonna go to the car.
Come over here.
Y'all, I'm at work, and y'all just fucking.
Please walk with them.
Don't grab me
Please
like
walk
that.
with them.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
Nope.
All right, hold. Wait.
Yep. Drag me, bitch. Drag me. Drag me. Drag me. God gonna see you drag me.
All right.
Was she legally required to identify herself at all? Under the Fifth Amendment, silence is a protected right. But the Supreme Court carved out an exception in Hybel versus Nevada, decided in 2004. The court in Hybel held that officers may compel a name during a lawful Terry stop, but only where state law specifically authorizes it. No statute, no obligation. The right to stay silent holds. In Brown versus Texas, decided in 1979, the Supreme Court reinforced this directly, an arrest solely for refusing to identify. Absent a valid state statute violates the Fourth Amendment. The Terry stop established in Terry versus Ohio was legally sound. Reasonable suspicion existed, but reasonable suspicion to detain and authority to compel identity are two distinct legal questions. The officers treated them as one. That gap undermines both charges. Obstruction requires an officer performing a lawful duty. Resisting arrest requires a lawful arrest. If the identity demand lacks statutory authority, both charges collapse. The trespass charge is the strongest. The subject was already on the store's ban list before this visit, making her presence independently unlawful regardless of her conduct. Force used handcuffing, grounding as soft, empty hand control. Under Graham versus Connor, no excessive force finding is indicated. The restraint was proportionate to the resistance encountered.
God don't like us, because I ain't did
Why are
nothing
you
wrong.
doing this?
I
We're
ain't
just
did
trying
nothing
to
wrong.
work with you.
I ain't did nothing wrong. I'm at
You're
work.
not listening to
I'm at
us.
work. I was listening. I'm trying to tell
Come
you.
on, sweetheart. Please get up so we can put you in the
I'm
car.
trying to tell you. No. How can I give you my hand?
I'm gonna help you up.
No, you can't
Get
help
up on
me.
your butt.
Sit up on your butt
Sit
for
up on your
us.
butt.
You can't never say nothing to me.
Sit up on your butt.
Please sit up for me. Come on.
Hey, whatever you do.
Bring your knees in for me.
I'm not doing nothing.
Okay. We're going to search you real quick
I
before
don't
we
care
get in
what
here.
you
Do
do.
you have anything on you?
I don't care
Poke me,
what
hurt
you
me,
do.
stick me?
I don't care what you. I got a taser in my pouch.
Okay.
Because I catch the bus.
Okay.
Hey, but I'm gonna tell you this. I don't care what you do. God don't like ugly.
We didn't have to go this way.
Y'all did. Y'all chose this route. God don't like ugly.
We've been trying to work with
No,
you,
you wouldn't.
but
You
you're
wouldn't.
obstructing
No, you wouldn't.
us
I wasn't
and
obstructing
preventing
shit.
us from doing
No, I
our
wouldn't.
job.
God don't like ugly, but I'm gonna show you better. I'm gonna call my lawyer. Don't worry.
That's all right.
I'm gonna call her.
Maybe your lawyer will be more sensible in answering questions for us.
Yeah, because I ain't gonna answer none. Come on, keep on. Yeah,
All right.
come on.
Will you sit in the car for me, please?
I shouldn't even get out.
Thank you.
Yeah, come on. And
Watch your feet.
I ain't got no warrants.
Watch your foot.
And you ain't got no reason.
Here's your.
You get a return on that Sunday.
Here's the phone. I'll go get their information.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
So all we were trying to do was identify her so we could give her the proper trespass. She wanted to obstruct, so that's why we had to take her into forcible custody, because she kept trying to obstruct us and get away from us. So if any of your customers complain, refer them to me. I'll explain. Hopefully they don't
Most of them are
blame you for it. you can refer them to me. Did that other officer, did he have a chance to get your name?
No.
Okay, so she came in.
They called me over to the deli. She went over there first.
Okay.
The teammates told me that she put her hands on him. We were yelling at him.
Okay.
So she de-escalated it. I finally tried to get her to check out and just leave. She kept yelling. She said she wanted to check out up here, so I escorted her. We stopped at Floral. I tried to check her out there. Then she said she paid for it. I didn't even care about the ticket. I just wanted her to leave.
Okay.
And she just kept yelling. She came back over here, started yelling at teammates again. I came back over. That's when I told them over here to call the police, just to have her removed.
Okay.
I gave her every opportunity to pay for it and leave.
So she made physical contact with some of your employees?
Supposedly over in the deli. I haven't been able to verify it.
Okay. Do you have camera footage?
Probably.
That we could review? Do they want to press charges for battery, or do they just want her gone?
She's going to get charges anyway. I got charges off.
The only reason I ask on the battery is because we just got to get some more people's information. Not a big deal. Okay. Sometimes people don't want to go to court, and I understand that. She wouldn't have caught an obstructing charge with us if she would have just given us her name, so we could have trespassed her like you requested. But
we tried. She obviously is intoxicated as well, and
I
smell it
yeah,
at least.
I at least smell it. I don't know how.
It was back and forth and kind of
Sure.
a non-logical conversation. So.
Hello.
Can you talk to me?
Yeah. I guess, did you have a situation with the young lady here in black?
I needed to bring these back real
Okay.
quick because
Yeah.
they're out. Yes, so she came up and was mad with another worker about styrofoam plates. We don't have any, but they've been out for over 3 hours. So when she got here, they already weren't there. She was mad, saying that with the one she was mad at, went back there and started talking about her, but she went back there to tell everybody else we don't have any plates. So when I heard she was cussing, I came around and she was in face talking of like saying fuck you and you fucked up and I'm coming for you, all that. And so I told her we haven't had any styrofoam plates for a while. And she got in my face and said, no, I got the last one. You remember I got the last one. I said, okay, whatever, you know. I know she didn't, so I'm not going to argue. And when she got in my face, that's when I smelled her breath. And I know she, yeah. And that's when she like shoved me, and she didn't do it hard, but she, don't touch me.
Did she kind of do like this? Or?
It was like a, well, you don't know.
Okay.
It wasn't like a attack, but it was don't touch me, please.
Okay.
And so that's when she kept getting more mad, and I could tell it wasn't going to like get fixed. And I kept telling her, is all well, and she goes, I'm fine, but you're not, and just kept saying stuff like that. And she kept coming back and just standing there.
Okay.
So I called back, and once I called back, she got even more mad, and then started doing that all over my face again. Or ma'am, and she thought he said dude.
Okay.
So she went
Off
really,
on him.
yeah, and then that's when told me to just walk away, and I stayed away since then.
When she did, how many times did she make contact
Just
with
once.
you? Just once.
She did that sometimes, but I don't like care about that.
Okay.
It was just a little shove that was like, I'm already nervous, so.
Yeah. Okay. Were you injured or anyway?
No.
No. Was you in fear that she was gonna like slap you or punch you or anything like that?
I was a little scared she was gonna come at me. Yes.
Yeah. Did she take any kind of a aggressive stance towards you, or she was talking in your face?
It's just that she was so close to me and doing that I could tell she was comfortable, and she's like, oh, if you would have met old me, you would have this and that, and trying to scare me.
Okay.
And she said you can. That's the girl who used to work here.
Okay.
And I'm like, I told her, I said, I get it, you're tough. I'm not messing with you. I just want to make sure everything's good.
Okay.
But
so I got a couple charges on her anyway. We just wanted to make sure that there was no that physical, like a battery.
Right. No.
It wasn't like we're getting ready to get battered or anything like that. It was just more of like a hey, back away type thing.
Trying to assert herself.
Okay. I talked to her. It's more of like you can't tell me what to do.
Okay, so she's good with not pressing charges. Perfect.
So
well, then
call her.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about the video for that because we got the body camera. So
take her to the station and put her on get NTA here.
Yeah,
We'll make her
100%.
I can give her a ride. She can probably figure it out.
I got it.
So I'll get her for obstruction and resistance.
And resistance, yeah.
All right. I talked to her, so I got your information. We're going to take her to the station. And obviously she's already on the ban list here, so she's trespassing here. If she comes back, you see her, notify us. We'll come back out and address it.
Did she want to press charges?
No.
So I don't have to worry about video?
No.
Okay.
Apparently, from her story, she says she works over there at the Weber Apartments, so just keep an eye out. She might be here frequently, or try to be here more frequent than others. Okay?
I appreciate it.
All right,
Thank
no
you.
problem.
Primary officer, C+. Stop lawful. Warnings issued. Force proportionate. But arresting over an identity refusal without confirming statutory authority is a consequential legal error. Alternatives were available and ignored. Secondary officer, B-. Tactically competent. Witness interview, precise. Reduced for accepting the arrest rationale without independent legal assessment. The subject, B-. Refusing a date of birth may have been legally protected, but physically pulling away from officers handed them the escalation they needed. Constitutional remedies belong in court, not on the store floor. Store management, A-. Called police instead of attempting removal themselves. Witness accounts were accurate. Battery charges were declined proportionately. 3 takeaways. 1. The outcome here turns on a single state statute, one neither party confirmed. Know your jurisdiction before demanding or refusing identification. 2. Leaving voluntarily preserves options. Staying and resisting removes them. The arrest only became possible because the subject did not exit when she could. 3. Detaining someone and compelling their identity are legally separate powers. Officers who conflate them without statutory authority create civil liability, not lawful arrests. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.